Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to start second chapter of economics, fundamental concepts and terminology. Fundamental is nothing but a basic concept of economics, and terminology is nothing but the definitions or the meaning of the words is known as terminologies, and fundamentals are basic concept. So what we have to see in this chapter, we have to see about which topic? About the goods and service. Then second we have to see concept of difference between price and value. Then we have to see wealth and welfare. Then we have to see the trade cycle. Generally, the four topics which we have to see in this, and all different kinds of terminology or sub-terminology are included in the goods and services and trade cycle and wealth and welfare. But these are the more four basic concepts which we are going to see in this chapter: goods, service, price, value, wealth and welfare, and trade cycle. So let's see the first concept: price and value. You might have heard these words about the price and value. So let's see. They are alternatively to denote the same meaning. For example, we make a statement like this good is expensive and this good is valuable. A good is expensive and good is valuable. Now the first statement shows expensive means उसकी प्राइस क्या है? ज़्यादा. Valuable है तो उसकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसका यूटिलाइजेशन मतलब उसका यूज वैल्यू, उसको यूज बहुत अच्छे से करना है या वैल्यूएबल थिंग है उसको कहेंगे वैल्यूएबल. सो द स्टेटमेंट फॉर द गुड्स एंड सर्विस डिफरेंट. वो बोल रहे हैं गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज एक्सपेंसिव मतलब उसकी प्राइस ज़्यादा है, एंड गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज वैल्यूएबल बिकॉज इट्स यूटिलाइजेशन वैल्यू उसकी ज़्यादा हाई है. In economics, the concept of price and value are different, and it is necessary to first understand the concept of value. Value can be understood from two viewpoint of view. अब value देखते हैं. Again, it's divided in two viewpoint of. From the viewpoint of use, it's called use value. अगर प्रोडक्ट क्या है, यूजेबिलिटी उसकी ज़्यादा है तो उसको कहेंगे उसकी यूज वैल्यू ज़्यादा है. सेकेंड, ऑन द व्यू पॉइंट ऑफ एक्सचेंज, राइट, तो उसको कहेंगे उसकी एक्सचेंज वैल्यू ज़्यादा. एक्सचेंज वैल्यू यानी गुड्स एंड सर्विस को एक्सचेंज करते हैं, उसके बदले में व्हाट वी पे मनी. So you can say goods and services valuable on the basis of two. Goods क्यों valuable है, बहुत important है तो बोल सकते हैं, तो उसकी यूजेबिलिटी, उसका यूज कितना ज़्यादा है, ज़्यादा यूज होगा तो बोलेंगे उसकी यूज वैल्यू ज़्यादा है. अगर गुड्स एंड सर्विस की प्राइस है, एक्सचेंज वैल्यू ज़्यादा है तो बोलेंगे उसकी एक्सचेंज वैल्यू ज़्यादा है, राइट. Now see the use value and exchange value. The use value is determined by the usefulness of commodity to the consumer for his or her various needs. For example, food, water, sunlight, etc. have a high use value for all people in the general. Use value यानी उसके usefulness, वो हमें कितना यूजफुल है. और एग्जाम्पल क्या दिया हमने टेक्स्ट बुक में? वाटर, फूड, सनलाइट. This all are very useful for all general people in a common. So उसका use value क्या है हमारे लिए? सबसे high है, right? We use food, water, sunlight. We take air in a breathing. So this all kinds of factors of production or goods are very usable, valuable for us. तो उसकी use value कैसी है हमारे लिए? ज़्यादा है. Now see exchange value. When a commodity service is exchanged for other commodity service, when worth of one unit of this commodity is measured in terms of amount of other commodity which can be exchanged for, such worth is called exchange value. For example, if the 1 kilogram of wheat exchanged for 1 kilogram of rice, the exchange value of 1 kilo is of 1 rice. Exchange value में क्या कहेंगे? Example के हिसाब से, if 1 kilogram of rice is exchanged in terms of or in return of 1 kilogram of wheat, तो राइस की एक्सचेंज वैल्यू क्या है? 1 किलोग्राम ऑफ व्हीट। यानी क्या कहेंगे? एक्सचेंज वैल्यू के बेस पे हम कह सकते हैं कि उसकी कितनी वैल्यू है। तो गुड्स कैन बी वैल्यूएबल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टू वे, यूज वैल्यू एंड एक्सचेंज वैल्यू। नाउ सी द रिलेशन बिटवीन यूज वैल्यू एंड एक्सचेंज वैल्यू। The relation, if a commodity has high use value, then it's not necessarily said to have a high exchange value. If any commodity here you have to take goods or product, अगर कोई भी commodity की high use value है, high यानी ज़्यादा, तो not necessary कि उसकी exchange value भी high होगी, right? ये first thing. Then, but if a commodity has high exchange value, लेकिन exchange value उसकी कैसी है? High, उसकी price ज़्यादा, high and denoting with the arrow. If the exchange value is high, then surely the use value also will be high. Then, exchange value is determined by the scarcity of resource in a relation to its need or scarcity of relation and demand. हम exchange value कैसे determine करेंगे कि ये product की price या exchange value कितने रुपीस होनी चाहिए? It's depend on the scarcity of goods and demand of goods in the market. अगर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड ज़्यादा होगी तो जनरली वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड द प्रोड्यूसर ऑलवेज ट्राई टू कीप द एक्सचेंज वैल्यू ऑफ दैट गुड्स एंड सर्विस वेरी हाई। लेकिन अगर कुछ गुड्स एंड सर्विस की स्केर्सिटी है, स्केर्सिटी मीन्स शॉर्टेज, मार्केट में अवेलेबल नहीं है या कोई वैल्यूएबल गुड्स है उसकी स्केर्सिटी है, तो उसकी एक्सचेंज वैल्यू ऑलवेज कैसी रहेगी? वेरी हाई। So how you can decide the exchange value कितनी रखनी है? On the basis of scarcity or availability of goods and on the basis of demand of the goods in the market. Goods are demanded if they have some use value, और goods कब demand करेगा customer? जब उसकी कोई usefulness होगी तो ही। And if they are scarce in supply in relation to their demand, to their supply, it's controlled by few people, then they have a higher exchange value. कुछ तो ऐसा होगा कि जो goods and services बहुत scarcity में है, scarcity and shortage. Take very example like of diamond, pearl or very precious jewelry. So उसका scarcity है, right? तो what will happen? उसकी exchange value कैसी होगी? Obviously वो use value उसकी ज़्यादा है, ये चीज़ें कैसी हैं? valuable है, तो उसकी exchange value कैसी होगी? high. तो उसको सिर्फ क्या करेंगे? Rich people can afford. तो only limited customers for the product will be available. Now, on the other hand, if goods are highly useful but have unlimited supply, then they do not have an exchange value. अब goods and services कैसी हैं? Most valuable, बहुत valuable है, but उसका supply market में कैसा available है? Unlimited. Unlimited यानी उसकी कभी shortage या scarcity नहीं आनी, और वो valuable भी कैसा है? सब goods and service की जितना valuable है, तो उसकी कोई exchange value नहीं। Then example, true, the air and sunlight have very high useful for the life. They have no exchange value as they are abundant in the supply. Valuable है ये चीजें कौन सी? Air and sunlight. They are very useful for us. उनकी valuable इन सारी चीजों से भी ज्यादा है, लेकिन supply is unlimited. We don't have to pay a price for using such kind of goods and services. So there is no exchange value is charged by the God, right? Because supply कैसा है? Abundant. Abundant in a sense very unlimited. In earlier time, even water was good with the high use value, but no exchange value. पहले के ज़माने में earlier में water भी वो एक चीज़ है जिसकी कोई exchange value charge नहीं की जाती थी. Free of cost water was available in an earlier time, but not now. Then it is given, however, in present time, the availability of water is reducing in relation to its need and used by the people. So it has started commanding an exchange value. लेकिन अभी population इतना ज़्यादा है and demand of water is very high, तो water की भी exchange value अभी government ने fix की है. You might be seeing or going outing for traveling. You might be seeing the water bottles also have water also charged, right? Chargeable commodity. In economics, use of word value is usable usually in context of exchange value of commodity with another commodity. Thus, value means worth of one unit of commodity in terms of unit of another commodity. Value exchange करने का समझ आया कि एक commodity की price कितनी valuable है. Use value means usability. Exchange value यानी एक goods and service की अगर इसमें कौन सा exchange कर सकते हैं, कितना price pay हो सकता है, it's called exchange value. ये points आपको ध्यान में रखने हैं. Relation between use value and exchange value. Right? See price. If a commodity is exchanged for a money, then such monetary exchange value is termed as price. Price यानी क्या? If commodity is exchanged, in which exchange value है? Monetary exchange value. It's called price, right? So there is a difference between value and price. Price value you will be getting or charged in a monetary, whereas value will be seen on the basis of usability or on the basis of exchange value. उसके बाद का टॉपिक है goods and service, वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे, राइट?